guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm sorry for scaring you, but cutie cat. I don't know, but Milo, we're gonna go in the living room. You know what, guys? We're gonna see. I always called my cat fat because he looks pretty fat, and a lot of people call their cats fat. So we're gonna weigh him. You're just gonna sit down. See, just like that. No. We're gonna weigh the cat, so we should. Yeah, this is actually a good idea because if we get him food real quick, I'm gonna get the scale. We should have one. Oh, we have a little scale. Let's see how fat this cat is. I'm guessing he's gonna be like maybe. I think he's gonna be at least like 7 pounds, 8 pounds. I don't know. So we have the scale right here. I am 94 pounds. Okay. Now, we're gonna put some treats. Treat, Milo. Treat. We're gonna put a lot of treats so he eats it. And the treats are on. Let's see if we get the cat to go onto the scale. Oh, okay, he's on the scale. And zoom in. He is. His legs are on it. Use your legs. Silly cat. Silly cat, just get the scale. Guys, he's 10 pounds. Alright, that's enough. So, yeah, guys. Yeah. He's 10 pounds. I want to see what you guys thought he was, but he is 10 pounds. A very fat cat. Okay. He is still 1 year old, so you guys are not going to get beautiful. My camera's not focusing. This is yeah. You guys are not gonna get a birthday video yet. I did one last time. Jeez.
You seems to be
Watching some crime show with my dad. But yeah, don't ask about the happy birthday. It was my brother's birthday on Halloween, so I don't know why we still have it up. Birthday month, I guess, but it was past the month, but yeah. So Milo, you little fatty